Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So on the Ethereum chart, the price is still following this orange scenario. As I explained in the last videos, we are in a range here and both white and white and orange potentials are valid. But now, given that the orange scenario gets a pickup in momentum, I have added another micro support zone, which helps us to distinguish between the orange potential and the white potential. Bear in mind, they are both for now bullish, yeah, because in both wave counts, in both scenarios, we're actually tracking higher prices, okay? So it's not like bearish and bullish. Well, at the moment, I've got two bullish scenarios on the chart. Of course, also here, there's a level when I have to change my opinion, which would be below $2,270. I mean, if the price breaks below that level, it's basically a correction that's too deep, right, for a bullish scenario, and at least a scenario where we can assume that a larger time frame B wave has bottomed here on the 3rd of February. Okay, so idea is we have a wave 1 to the upside. This here could be a wave 2, and the question is, okay, is wave 2 still unfolding? Has it bottomed already? Current thesis would be that as long as we're above the red line, we can give the orange count the benefit of the doubt, but it's fragile. The microstructure is challenging here, and it would be based on the idea that what I've labeled here in orange would be another wave 1. The problem is I'm tracking 5 waves just because it is the pattern that will give us most clarity, all right? But what you can see here, this would be a 1-2-1-2 setup, which is fine. But I'll mark it with a question mark. And the reason is, and I've explained that in previous videos, that the initial rally is a 3-wave move. So whenever we get a 3-wave move, microstructures will likely change. And it also means that in the following movements to the upside, we don't necessarily need 5 waves up. It could still go up higher, right? We can also continue to climb in just corrective and messy structures. And there are many options. For example, if this is a wave 1, then this is a wave 2, then obviously we would be tracking a 3rd wave. Yeah, but the 3rd wave could be made up of an ABC structure. So this could also be A, B, and then we get a C wave rally. But the problem is the A wave can also be a 3-wave move. So the A wave could technically sit here, and we get a deep B wave in wave B, and then we rally in wave C. So you see there are many options, so we have to be a bit flexible whenever we're dealing with structures like these. We are certainly not rallying impulsively, I can tell you that. I mean, that's what we clearly know. So we have to be a little bit flexible with support areas and might need to accept deep pullbacks here and there. That's something that has been with us here for this entire cycle across the sector, these diagonal patterns. I've explained numerous times why they happen, these diagonals in the current cycle. If you're wondering why, you can check out, there's one particular video on the MCO Global channel. That's our main channel. You can check it out. I'll link the channel in the video description. And it is the, I believe it is the video about the NASDAQ and Bitcoin, where we talked about the sentiment of the market. I mean, there are many long-term videos on this channel for Bitcoin, so check it out. But why Bitcoin? This is an Ethereum video. Well, and I will make a long-term Ethereum video on that channel as well. But the thing is, Bitcoin is it tells us what the sentiment is like in the crypto sector. Okay, if Bitcoin is in a larger degree 5th wave, sentiment for the altcoins is just not how it used to be in the good old days. Yeah. Okay, so that means we're tracking currently on the micro level really here. I mean, not really any change. We talked about it yesterday here, wave 1, wave 2. This is an A wave and a B wave, so those are still present. I've just added here a layer of nanostructures to explain this move better, but it's challenging, so take it with a grain of salt. So the idea would be this is in a C wave, wave 1, wave 2. This could be a 3rd wave. Even this C wave might be a diagonal. That's how messy it is. Wave 4, wave 5. So micro support now is between 2,657 and 2,770. And what is really, so there is some resistance, structural resistance here in the area around 2,857. This is the next level that the bulls need to break above. I think they could do it, but this one is going to be important. The main level, the swing high from the 3rd of February, 2,927 will be the main level to watch today and on the weekend, depending on if we can break above it or not. Yeah. But even if we break above it, maybe there can be a retest from above. That would all help to maintain bullish upside pressure. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, and please check out the channel membership. Also, if you want to learn, check out the membership. You can find a description in that video here on our channel page, the kind of trailer video of our membership. There's lots to learn. As a member, you can get access to additional videos where I've started to label charts live. A lot of you have asked for that. So there's the learning aspect. Also on Discord, if you're a gold member, you get a lot of additional learning content for Elliott Wave in our member live streams every Sunday. We also often cover educational topics or coin requests. And there's just much more to discover. Check it out. And I wish you a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.